This is Grandma Anna and Grandpa Jimmy. Grandma Anna and Grandpa Jimmy have 4 fridges which run a lot of power. Grandma Anna likes to store lots of food because they can only go to the shops once a week, as Grandpa Jimmy no longer drives Grandma Anna to the shops, as they are getting older. Grandma loves to cook Grandpa's dinner nice and fresh, so they use a lot of electricity to run their 4 fridges and air conditioners as it gets hot for them. Grandpa Jimmy always checks his bills. Oh no, not another bill. Oh no, what are we going to do? Grandma says to Grandpa, "Don't worry, I know who can help." Hello, is that Mr. Solarman? Can you help us? Yes, we can. Solarman came to the house to meet Mr. and Mrs. and came up with a solution. He installed a 10-kilowatt solar system on their roof. And Mr. and Mrs. can run their 4 fridges and air conditioners for 24 hours, 7 days a week. Now they have a credit of $80 to $100 per quarter. Thank you, Mr. Solarman. We have more money to save so that we can spend on our grandchildren. Thank you, Solarman.